Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to take you through how to do an exercise called the Lateral Heiden, which you might know as a skater jump, and that's because it was named after a speed skater called Heiden. What do you know? That video is coming up right now. So the Lateral Heiden is a great exercise for working knee, hip, ankle and lower back health. And it's a great exercise that works on acceleration and deceleration. It's great for agility, it's great for building power, and it's very good if you perform in a sports environment. So I'm a semi-professional soccer referee, and so I use these to make sure that I'm keeping my hips, my glutes, my lower back all nice and healthy and flexible, but also so I have that change of speed when I need it when I'm refereeing. Now, what you're going to want to remember with these is it's not about going on big hops to begin with. We can just build up nice and slowly as we progress through, okay? So right now, all we're working on is finding that balance and that acceleration and deceleration. So you might start here and we could just come a nice little hop here, catch yourself and stop here, like so. And that's all you need to do. Now the purpose of the exercise is not to get your heart rate up, is to not absolutely brutalize yourself, just jumping as fast as you can from side to side. The point is that we're being very precise with quality movement, and we're coming from here across to here, and that's it, and we're good there. And we'll come back the other way. That's a good hop. Now, if you're like me, and obviously I've been doing these a long time, or you're a bit more athletic, then we might be able to start here and take a slightly bigger jump and work on that deceleration here. You see how my weight's going this way? I don't want that to happen. I'm trying to stop dead as I do it. I might take my shoes off, see if that helps, because those trainers keep rolling me outwards. So we're gonna be here, nice flat foot. Oh, wrong foot, start here. We come across. There you go. You see, I'm catching myself slightly, and that's okay. I'm nice and relaxed through my knee, through my hip. I'm keeping everything soft. Equal to that is I'm not pointing my toe away. I'm not sure if you can see that on there. I'm not pointing my toe away, because when I land and do that, if I was to do that, that would want me, my knee would take me further away. So I'm making sure I'm landing facing you, facing the camera, like that. Accelerate, decelerate. Now another key aspect of this exercise is don't think about jumping across. Don't think about landing. Don't think about anything like that. All you need to worry about is push the floor away from you. Don't think about going up and over, just think about pushing the floor away from you. So we'll be here, I'm pushing the floor away from me, and that's what's creating my jump. Whoa, I'm getting tired now. Like so. And then as you progress, you can make them much bigger, much more effective, like so. And actually, on the bigger jumps, I'm slightly better at, because I've probably got a bigger body, and that I naturally decelerate as I go through it. Like there. I'm thinking about landing on an arc. And if you get the arc right, you're gonna land more vertical, and that helps, like so. Okay? I hope you like doing these exercises. Like I say, they're great for your hip, lower joint mobility, hip, knee, and ankles. Lower back mobility as well, keeping everything nice and healthy, and just focus on making sure it's quality movement every time you do it. Thanks for being here. Feel free to like, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. If you got any questions, reach out and drop me a message. I can't wait to hear from you. Thank you so much for being here. Have a great day. Ciao, ciao.